Joe. I have a little package for you. Oh, splendid. Give it to me. Why, thank you, Samantha. Let's see. You think me very well. Oh, it's my pleasure. This is all I need. Oh, Samantha, I'm gonna trap you this time. I should probably activate the trap for her so that she could be in that cage for how long I want her to be in. After all, this money will be good for sure. We just gotta see the tracking of it. When I trapped Samantha. I hope she be trapped, because if she isn't, I'll get my revenge. Huh? Why did my parents... Hi, Samantha. Mom, what is the meaning of this? What happened to my other things? Oh, I decided to upgrade your room so that it could be a little more special for you to enjoy in. Well, honestly, I kind of miss my old room. Well, you start off with the new room, and you can start off with something different. You know you can't just stay with the same old things that you had before. Sometimes you just need to change it. That's why we get to upgrade your room. Well, we changed your closet and your place where you can sit in, and your bed, and your little where you could put your things in, put your makeup on. Well, don't you like it, honey? Mom, I hate to say this, but you got a little too far with the interior. But it doesn't matter anyways, I guess you're right. That's my girl. Okay, well, I'll tell you when dinner's ready, okay? Okay. I'll see you later. Okay. Guess I gotta stick with my room. Well, it's too bad we had to change our kitchen. Well, at least it still looks better.